Hi, my name is Imani-Lara Lansiquot. I'm a sprinter on the Great Britain team. I'm a world and European medalist. And today this is going to be my Myprotein Masterclass on the classic sprint start. Now the three top tips I have for a sprint start have to start with the hands. Next we'll go on to the back. And then thirdly will be all about projection. So first off, we have our hand position. Now I know so many people can be confused about not going too narrow or going too wide. Today I'm going to answer all of those questions. So as we go down into the start position, what I like to do is actually use my hips as guiders for where my hands are going to go. So I'll rock forward and then double check from where my hip bone starts and make a straight line down on each side. And then just make sure that my weight is pushed forward into my hands but quite evenly distributed between both of them. That's a really, really solid classic start for me. So next up we're going to be talking about our back position. I like to really take the angry cat position. You don't want to have too flat of a back in the blocks. You curve your back like that and bring your knees just slightly off the ground. The tension you have in your legs should really emulate what a quarter squat or a deadlift would feel like. So you've got loads of tension to go off from. So tip number 3 is all about projection. Project, project, project. Whether that's your upper body, your hips, you really want to make sure your whole entire body, kind of like a trailer truck, is going down the racetrack in a forward direction. That's what really, really separates a rubbish start from an excellent start. So now it's time to put it all together. Like I said, we start with our fingers, our curved back, and then. So you might be wondering how far apart your legs should be when you're in the start position. The answer is that there's no right answer. It's all about what's comfortable for you, depending on your height, depending on how big your legs are. I like to go for something quite narrow, but if you're a bit taller than me, you might go for something a bit further away. It's all about being comfortable enough to create enough tension to get out of the blocks. So with my feet, I probably have them about half a foot apart, and that's just really comfortable for me to get into quite a narrow position, and I feel like I can really create power from that distance. So let's finish off on a pro tip to get you extra speedy, just like an Olympian. Now I like to do bunny hops before every single session because they really wake my feet up and get them ready for sprinting. If you didn't know, when you're sprinting, you're actually putting 6 times your body weight into the racetrack. So your feet need to be really ready for that. I do 5 on each leg and then I do 5 all together. So it looks like this. I'm ready. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the Myprotein YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments box below.